Hello there and welcome to my small farm. I am Odeo Sirari. The long wait for the rain seems to be finally over. Here at the farm, we have been trying our best to mitigate the effects of the drought by watering this small field of maize and cabbages. But there was a challenge. We have the capacity to supply water at every corner of the farm, but we are unable to irrigate this sugarcane plantation in particular because it is simply unaffordable. If we had done it with the high diesel prices, the cost of production would have increased significantly, and that would have been a tragedy for a small farm like ours here. This cane has been water stressed. Lack of sufficient water has slowed down cane development. We haven't had rain for exactly 2 months. I remember seeing the last showers at the end of December last year and at the beginning of January this year. Today has been a bit cloudy and the temperatures becoming a bit cooler than the previous days. Earlier in the day, we were all in anticipation. Then suddenly, when I was still in the process of recording this video, the weather changed. Ukiangalia ng'ambo ya pili tayari mvua inanyesha. That is our first rain here. Today, the onset of the long April rains is a big relief for me here at the farm. It means so many things for me and we are very thankful. We are now going to cut down on the cost of irrigation. No more spending on diesel for the water pump engine, for example. It also means better performance for the crops in the farm, and especially the sugarcane, the cabbages, and the green maize. The forecast shows there's going to be more rain this week. So if you are a farmer like me, get out and start preparing for planting.